Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I was saying earlier how terrible these birds traced, and it's just because it's a thin line of a wing. And just always keep in mind that you don't have to use those birds unless it's a specific logo. So I just went to the internet and typed in seagull silhouette, and I right click and I copy it and I bring it into Corel, and I right click and I paste it. It normally puts it in the center. We don't need all these birds. I actually think that one might be the best, but maybe we'll do this one this time so we'll have a little bit of difference. So with that selected, take your crop tool and just crop out that bird. And then it's pretty small, so then just trace it. Outline trace, clip art normally works. Yeah, it's not too bad, it's not too good. But we can go to object, that one's not as good as the first one. And we can get rid of that. And then you could get if you have the shape tool, which is in X7 or above, the smoothing tool, wow, that's huge. Make it 1/8 of an inch. And then just smooth out some of the corners of this bird. And just keep in mind that the bird's flying, and it doesn't have to be a perfect bird. You could elongate it and elongate the wing, maybe take away some nodes, just kind of make it look more like a bird. I'm not doing a very good job. But once you get one bird, just bring it in your picture. We still have a remnant of that little bird right there, and that's good reason to move stuff because you can see stuff. And then I actually like the bird I have here, and let's delete that one. And then I just made copies and, put him wherever I wanted, maybe make it go the other way, make it bigger, smaller, and just bring those birds in your picture. So my birds look pretty good. And if you didn't watch part one, this was how to get a contour cut line around an item, around a drawing. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.